Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your LinkedIn collaboration assets using Dropbox Paper, beginner guide step by step clearly. To start backing up your LinkedIn collaboration assets using Dropbox Paper, first, log into your LinkedIn account. Navigate to the collaboration assets you wish to back up. This could include posts, articles, or documents associated with your profile. Open a new tab and log into your Dropbox account. If you don't have a Dropbox account, create a free one by following the prompts. Once you are logged in, click on the paper icon located on the left sidebar. In Dropbox Paper, select Create a new document. This will open a blank document for you to work with. Now, return to your LinkedIn tab. Begin by copying the content you want to back up. Highlight the text or images you wish to save. Right-click and select Copy to store it temporarily. Switch back to your Dropbox Paper document. Right-click in the blank document and select Paste to transfer the content. Ensure that your formatting looks correct. You can add additional notes or context if necessary. Once you are satisfied with the document, give it a title. Click the title area at the top and enter an appropriate name. Now, Dropbox Paper automatically saves your changes. Once saved, you can choose to share this document with collaborators if desired. To organize your files better, consider placing the document in a specific folder in Dropbox. Navigate back to the main Dropbox interface. Click on New Folder to create a dedicated space for your LinkedIn assets. After creating the folder, go back to your Dropbox Paper document. In the Paper interface, find the option to move the document. Select the newly created folder to keep your backups organized. Your LinkedIn collaboration assets are now safely backed up in Dropbox Paper. You can access this document anytime from any device with Dropbox installed or through their website. Regularly repeat this process to ensure continuous backups of your new collaboration assets. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.